Good morning guys! So this is our day 26 out of 365. Today's run, 3 km fast session tayo. So mag speed run tayo ng 3k within 5 minutes na average siguro. Try natin kunin ng 15 minutes yung 3k natin. Come on, join me! Let's go! Let's run! K, 5 minutes, 7 seconds, 3K, 4 minutes, 45. So that's our day 26 out of 365. So natapos natin yung past 3 km. So average of siguro mga 5 minutes tayo per kilometer. I'm always keep reminding to be healthy, to be wealthy, and to be active. Always run for your life. Let's go guys, another day done. Ha!